Hello friends, today we are discussing about what is GNS3, why should you use GNS3 and how to install GNS3. GNS3 is the same like our packet tracer. This is a more advanced version. GNS3 is a graphical network simulator GUI. GUI GNS is a network software emulator first released in 2009. It allows the combination of virtual and real devices used to simulate complex networks. It uses Dynamaps and emulation software to simulate real iOS images. GNS3 all-in-one source graphical user interface GUI. You can install all-in-one software on your local PC like a Windows, Mac, Linux. Create your topologies using this software like topologies in the bus topology, match topology, and two-tier and architectures, three-tier architectures, span leaves like that. And it is an open source and network software emulator. You can capture network traffic and analyzing packets by using Wireshark. And by default, in installing GNS3, and automatically will get. And let's see how to install and how it's added to popular NGF next generation firewalls. Consume the RAM of local devices. Each router has estimated to be around 5 to 11 MB uses of RAM and minimum. Let's see the minimum requirement of that. Before we'll see why should you use of GNS. It's a real-time network simulator for pre-development testing without need for real network hardware devices. It's good, right? Uh, Connect to GNS3 to any real networks. Whether are you studying for first networking exam, are you building the outside statewide telecommunication network? GNS3 offer an easy way to design and build networks of any size without need for hardware equipment. Secure that. And create a dynamic network map and for troubleshooting proof of concepts, proof of proof of concept POS testing. These are GNS3 system requirements. Minimum requirement is the OS is a Windows 7 64-bit. Use Windows 10. As your wish, you can install Linux, Mac, and two or more logical processors, AMD or Intel. Minimum RAM is a 4 GB. Storage is available 1 GB. Available space. Recommended requirements: Windows 7, Windows 10. Four or more logical processor, AMD or Intel. Minimum RAM is 8 GB. Use SSD. SSD will get more performance. Let's see how to install GNS3 GUI and GNS3 VM. First, we need to install GNS3 GUI. Let us see. Let us open Google Chrome. What you want, you can open Firefox. Your choose. I choose Google Chrome. Type GNS3. Enter here. Free download. Click on it. Then we need to register this site. It's a free login. Then here whatever you want you can install: Windows, Mac, Linux. My requirement is Windows. Click on it. Now it is downloading. Wait for. I'm pausing the video. And here download is completed. GNS3. So in folder. On it. Delete here. GNS3. Just click on right click on administrator. Next. By default. Agree. Next. 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 By default I'm next. Choose customization. The best is default is the best.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Next.
Around these walls, fighting to create a
Now here downloading Solar Putty. It's required for internet. You have to connect the internet, then install, and processor automatically download. Next, completed. If you want to install Solar, no, don't want. Just starting up. See here, connecting to server localhost. Let's create project. Let's add switches. Let's call this no. You want to focus, you get Cisco site. You need to purchase that file ISO, make ISO plus reinstall. Finish. Cover the next video to add VMware. What is the use of VMware? Thank you guys for watching. Thanks a lot.